FFW, observe. Finally, let's go.
Northern Westchester County in southeastern New
Yeah,
York.
it says observe.
At 2:41 p.m., local law enforcement reported
Local law
thunderstorms
enforcement.
producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
It's crazy.
Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen.
It's over there.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible
God
in the Warren
damn,
area.
let's go.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Haven, Waterbury, Danbury, Meriden,
Yes, sir.
Middletown, Wallingford, Shelton, Naugatuck, Peekskill, Guilford, Southbury, Mahopac, Lake Carmel, Durham, Sherman, Brewster, Cold Spring, Newtown, Camden, and Cheshire.
Yes, sir. Let's
Turn
go.
around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield, and New Haven, and the following counties in New York, Putnam, and Westchester.
What else? Oh, double header? Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. Another SVR. Jesus. Double header. Oh my god, what the heck?
Southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey. Warren County in northwestern New Jersey. Northern Somerset
Jesus
County,
Lord, God.
northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m.
Jesus.
2:40 Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. along a line extending from near Augsburg to near Alameda Thunder Valley to East Bangor, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
God damn.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Jesus Lord, God damn.
Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Newton, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong,
Jeez.
Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinloch, Hackettstown, Chatham, Boonton, Wharton, Washington.
One of these storms might hit me. They could hit me.
Bangor, Mount Arlington, and Franklin. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 38. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 3 and 49. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 51. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall
Torrential
is occurring
rainfall.
with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
Yes, sir.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Time.
Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.
Jeez.
$189
God damn.
issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris,
God damn.
Somerset, Sussex and Warren, and Northampton, Pennsylvania,